Hello everyone, today we are going to create a 3D modeling for exercise number 3 with Inventor software. Okay, first click a new part, and in here I will use units in millimeter. You can click tools and click document settings. The next click units tabs and change length into millimeter. You can click apply and click close. The next in here I will click 3D models, and you can click start 2D sketch, choose a top plane. We can create a circle start from this point, and we can set for radius into 36. Okay, the next you can create again a circle from the center point with radius 16. We create again in here with radius 12. You can press enter. Now I will create a circle at this point with a radius 6. Okay, in a center point with a radius 6. In here with a radius 6. And you can create start from this point with radius 6. Okay, you can use dimension tools to create a distance from this point into here. And we can set into 13. The next we create again from this point into here. We can set 13. And the last from this point into here, we can set 13. You can press enter to apply. Now in here I will create line start from this point, and you can move to drag here. We can set for length into 40. We create again line start from this point to the right here with length into 40. You can press enter to apply. You can use a mirror tools. You can click here mirror and select this object. For mirror line, we can create first mirror line with this line tools start from this point and move to the top here. The next you can click the object or right click, change into construction lines. And we can use mirror tools to mirror this object, and mirror line you can click at this construction line. The next you can click apply and you can click done. Now in here we can use trim command to cut these circle objects, and also in here. And I will create line start from this point into here. We create again start from this point into this point, and in the bottom here you can create the last line from this point into this point. The next we can use trim tools again to cut this circle object. Okay, we cut in here and at this point and click at this point. Now we can undo. Now you can click a finish sketch, and we can convert this sketch into 3D models with extrusion tools. You can click here extrude in here. Okay, and then you can click at this face. And next we can move to the bottom here. We can set for extrusion into 5. We can press enter. You can click plus in extrusion once and click visibility to show sketch 1. In here we use extrusion again, and then we can extrude at this face. You can set into 5. You can press enter. Okay, next we extrude again at this face. We can set into 15 and you can press enter. Now we already create this simple 3D models. You also can hide again for the sketch. You can right click in here and click visibility. Okay, enough today for 3D modeling exercise number 3 with Inventor software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.